தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Speech by correspondent ma'am.
Good morning to all. I Heartily welcome to all. We are gathering here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day. Our minds are filled with joy because we are living in a free country. Once upon a time, our country was under the rules of British. India is one of the richest country in the world. So the foreigners came to trade through sea route. Little by little, they captured our country because of our unity among us. We suffered